SE0245 adds a new initializer for arrays that doesn't pre-fill values with a default. This was previously available as a private API, which meant Xcode wouldn't list it in its code completion, but you could still use it if you wanted to. And if you're happy to take the risk that it will be withdrawn in the future. To use the initializer, tell it the capacity you want, then provide a closure to fill in the values however you need. Your closure will be given an unsafe, mutable buffer pointer where you can write your values, as well as an in-out second parameter that lets you report back how many values you actually used. For example, we could make an array of 10 random integers like this. Let random numbers equals an integer array with the unsafe initialized capacity of 10, buffer initialized count in, for x in 0 up to 10, buffer x equals int.random in 0 through 10. And finally, initialized count equals 10. There are some important rules here. First, you don't need to use all the capacity you asked for, but you can't go over capacity. So, if you ask for a capacity of 10, you can set initialized count to 0 through 10, but not 11. Second, if you don't initialize elements that end up being in your array, for example, if you set initialized count to 5, but don't actually provide values for elements 0 through 4, they're likely to be filled with random data. This is a very bad idea. And third, if you don't set initialized count, it will be 0. So any data you assigned will be lost. Now we could have written our code using map like this. Let random numbers 2 equals 0 through 9 dot map underscore in int.random in 0 through 10. That's certainly easier to read, but it's less efficient. It creates a range, creates a new empty array, sizes it up to the correct amount, loops over the range, and calls a closure once for each range item.